Hey guys, Dan here, aka Dan the Laundryman. We're here to answer all of your top questions about all things 2ULaundry. Another common question is, what do I put in the bags and how are the clothes cleaned? So we're gonna start with our wash, dry, fold bag. These are items that you'd put in your washer and dryer that you have at home. These are everyday items, bedding, linens, towels, etc. These items will actually be spot treated for any stains, washed on cold, dried on medium heat, and then perfectly folded and packaged for return. Next is our wash and hang dry bag. These items will be washed on cold and immediately hung up to air dry. This bag can be filled with your more delicate items, polos, athletic wear, and whatever this is. And last but not least is our dry cleaning bag. These items will be professionally dry cleaned or laundered and pressed according to the care label. Popular items include. Now let me tell you what not to put in the bags. Hangers, cleaning supplies, and any other personal items.